Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to Sharif's Kitchen. Today we're going to see how we can fry king mackerel the same way it's done in a restaurant. It's also called Tenggiri, Ikan Tenggiri in Malaysia. For this preparation you need few slices of king mackerel. Then you need 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, few chopped coriander and mint, 1 tablespoon fish masala powder and salt, and 1 teaspoon chili powder. So we are using store-bought masala powder, and you also need 1 lime juice. So squeeze in a lime on a pan or on a bowl. Then you can add in the ginger garlic paste to it. Add in the chopped coriander and mint. Then the store-bought masala powder. We are not using any other masalas. Store-bought masala to just make it faster. Add in the chili powder and mix the masala. Mix it into a nice paste. Add salt. The paste shouldn't be too thick and it shouldn't be watery as well. So if you need some water, add in just about 1 or 2 teaspoons of water and make it into a fine paste that's going to coat onto the fish. Now gently get the fish and coat it on both sides. Make sure you rub the fish properly. Just be gentle, massage the fish all around, especially on the sides, so that the skin gets nice and crispy. Do that to all your fish and leave it for about 30 minutes to marinate. What I did is I actually left it for almost the overnight to marinate. So this is how you want to coat all your fish. Alright, so when you're ready, get about 3 tablespoons of oil on a flat pan. We are going to do a shallow fry, not a deep fry. Place the fish far away from you and cook on each side for about 2 minutes. When you want to flip the fish, make sure you use a nice tong and get to the center of the fish and flip it, because that's where the bone is. That's it. Ikan Tenggiri or king mackerel fry, just the way it's done in restaurant, is ready. To get more recipes like this, consider subscribing to the channel, like and share. Please leave your comments. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.